Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? Let me know if y'all can hear me. All right, we sounding good. We sounding good. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We got some news popping off today. As today's concerned, we got a couple of things going on. Let's go to the actual. I thought I fixed it yesterday, but let's fix it again. So looking at today, at 8:15, we got the infamous ADP popping off, and at 8:30, employment claims, and then at 10 a.m. we got another USD news event. So we got 3 high-impact USD news events popping off today. Going to be going live for the ADP with the members, so members be on the lookout for that link. But again, when we look at a lot of these charts, there's a couple of them like the pairs. They've really just been consolidating and ranging all last night, majority of the New York session. And again, we just see price still ranging a lot with charts we go to the bigger time frame. But we do have a few setups we're going to be looking at, right? If y'all was in the live yesterday, gold ended up doing a nice drop that we was looking for. When we was looking for sales, we ended up doing a nice drop yesterday for our London session. And then NAS did a nice drop as well. We was talking the NAS setup. And then also EJ, as we can see, did a nice drop as well when that's projected. So we're going to be looking for continued JPY sales today. And then we're going to be looking at possible continued NAS sales if it can hold this level as resistance. So, but again, don't be too sharp to surprise. The price just continues to consolidate and hug these levels until New York session. But we are going to still be looking for some setups right here. Right, y'all. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. If you can charts, drop them in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Just dropped a new video for y'all the other day. If y'all have not checked that out yet, make sure to watch that. I'm going to drop that in the chat right now. Make sure to like the live. What's going on, Hood Harvest? I see you up in here. Those just join the stream. We are not into anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscription. We're going to do something certain screen how we did last month on that scooter. Go ahead and check it out. All right, we're just waiting for confirmations to retest to pop off. Again, we got a bunch of news popping up today during New York session, so do keep those times in mind. Y'all not sure how to go about news days or how to trade news days, make sure to check out my How to Trade News playlist. I break down how I go about trading news days as well as the rules I use and all that good stuff. So make sure to check that out. We're going to pull up the free Telegram in a second. It's been a little bit of a slower week though, because again on Monday, starting off the week, we had bank holidays. We slowly get into it. Make sure to like the live too, y'all, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. With EJ, we're going to be looking for continued sales. If EJ can continue to hold 159.35 as resistance, we're going to look for sales going down to 158.30. So we're either going to look for a retest right here, or we're going to wait to see if price can break this low right here, and then continue to look for sales. Took a nice NAS sell yesterday, but it ended up rejecting the same lows it had reached on Tuesday. And we can see here on the daily time frame that price is still just kind of chilling right here. Again, it did do a huge reversal on Tuesday as well, especially after the news event on Tuesday. So we're going to look for sales, but it needs to break and hold this support low at 18,910 as resistance. As we can see here, price is still for the past 3 days, but respect this level as support. So we can break a hold low as resistance. We can see the downtrend continue going in our favor, which is what we're really looking for right now. The ball's still playing ring around the rosy, so I'm pretty sure just going to leave gold alone. Now, if it does break back about 25.08 and hold that support, you can look for buys. Going back up to the highs at 25.30. But we'll get to that if it gets to that. And then we're going to be looking for possible GA buys as well. Just waiting for the retracements to retest right now. Again, a couple charts ended up going as projected from the Monday session live yesterday. Those I was in the live. Me and the members ended up taking a NAS sell. TP3 got hit. We caught 4,900 pips. A nice move to the downside. And as far as how we ended August, we went 13-1. Only took one loss last month, giving us a 93% win rate, catching a total of 27,727 pips. You can see that by scrolling to September 3rd. We click right here, the highlighted blue, and we'll take you to the beginning of the month. As you can see, August 1st, we do the recap of the day at the end of every day, as well as the recap of the week at the end of every week, and the recap of the month at the end of every month. All the days are dated, timed, documented. You can see screenshots of signals, screenshots of the positions, all that good stuff. And if you go to photos, there's over 1,000 photos and 2 years of receipts of student results testimonials, screenshots, positions, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description. Check out the free signal for Telegram. Again, I got a comment the other day saying, you know, it's not really signals put in here, but if y'all watch the lives like you're watching right now, or if you watch the Sunday chart analysis, literally all the moves, and then you look at the recaps of the day or the trades we took during the week, literally all the moves that we take on a daily basis are from the projections of the Sunday chart analysis, as well as what we was looking for in the setups we was looking for the London session live. And then also pay attention to that. I literally go over like specific price points I'm looking at. I explain why I'm looking for buys, why I'm looking for sells, and all that good stuff. So again, like all the stuff we do here is very, very, very transparent. It's not like the setup I'm looking at, I'm keeping secret. Like I literally show you on the screen, you're waiting for the confirmations. I explain if price can hold this as support, hold this as resistance, then we can look for buys here, we can look for sells there, this, that, and the third. So again, just really pay attention to what we're doing here, what I'm talking about. And if you are confused, again, the chat is open. That's why I always say you guys got questions off in the chat, because again, these lives are to help y'all out. All right, y'all. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for volume to kick in. In the meantime, again, make sure to check out those playlists. All the playlists are up to date. Again, we have a few news events popping off today. We have the ADP at 8:15, then 8:30. We got unemployment claims, and then at 10 a.m. we have another USD news event. So we got 3 USD news events. When we're going live with the number ADP, so members, be on the lookout for that link that I sent to y'all. Hours. And again, we have a few charts still kind of struggling to either commit to a trend or commit to a reversal and trend change. So I want to see today solidify and determine what direction prices are going to be going. You get what I'm saying? Because again, trading is a lot smoother and simpler when we're in a clean trend, which is why we've been, you know, taking a lot less trades lately, and not necessarily taking a trade every single day like we typically usually do. And that's simply because, again, we want to go for high probability, high quality setups. And the price is kind of struggling to even show volume, let alone hold levels. Can't really do too much about that. You just got to patiently wait. It's just part of the game. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit, though. New 15 just popped up. Those just joined the stream who have not entered anything yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourself. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we can charge, drop in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. All right, so we're about to see if we can hold this level as resistance still. If we can, we're gonna look for a setup right there. Everything else still consolidating and ranging. So we're about to see if we can hold this level as resistance right here. Yeah, I don't really like anything else. Again, we're about to see if we can continue to respect this as resistance. If EJ can continue to hold 159.30 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 158.25, possibly down to 157.20. And everything else is kind of ranging and consolidating. As we can see, we do have, again, 3 high impact news events popping off today. So don't be too shocked or surprised if volume's kind of chilling like this until that news pops off. There's also a New Zealand bank holiday today as well, so also keep that in mind. Why does it keep on doing that? It's not a New Zealand bank holiday. I might have to load this this website. So scratch the New Zealand holiday. But everything else I said, we got 3 high impact news events popping up today. First one at 8:15, second 30, and then at 10 a.m. All right, and then look at the charts. Majority of the charts are just consolidating ranging right now. That's usually what happens when we have these news events. And on top of it being the first week of the month, like we always talk about at the beginning of the month, first week, the last week of the month are typically the toughest for us to trade. That's when we have usually the most reports and adjustments going on in the markets. And again, we can literally just see that, again, we look here, since Tuesday, prices have been since Tuesday, right? Go again, it's been rejecting this level, it's struggling to hold this level. It's been ranging here since Friday, right? So again, we see a lot of these charts, even when we go into the bigger time frames, we can see a lot of these charts having just stagnant and stuck in place. So again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in so we can break and hold these next levels so we can see the trend continue or a new trend begin. That's really what we're waiting on right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. I don't know what's been going on this week. Has anyone else's signal been bugging out, or is it just me? Because it was fine over the weekend and stuff, but like since Monday, my shit's been garbage. I don't know what's that about. New 5 minute about to pop up in a second. All right, y'all. So we're gonna see what this next hour looks like. Again, don't be too shocked or surprised if volume's dead or slow up until New York session starts. Again, we got ADP popping off. Going to be sending a link out to the members during that. Make sure to check out the video I dropped the other day for y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free seminar from Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Last month we went 13-1, getting some 93% win rate. As far as how we did last quarter, if you scroll up to, I believe, July, scroll. I believe it's July. Yep, July 2nd, you'll see how we did quarter two. April, we went 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May, we went 15-4, catching 47,957. And then June, we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips. In the quarter, 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate with a total of 118,359 pips hot. All right, y'all. If y'all want to contact me directly, I can take me on Instagram or Telegram. Respond to all messages. And again, the sale is still going on, y'all. So make sure you use the discount code I am ready for 12% off all my programs and services. And yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow, 11 session 3 m EST.